Entrepreneurship involves the process of identifying, creating, and managing a new business or venture with the aim of generating profit and creating value. Starting a business can be a rewarding but challenging endeavor. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Idea generation and market research. Identify a business idea that aligns with your skills, interests, and market demand. Conduct thorough market research to understand your target audience, competitors, and industry trends. Business plan. Develop a comprehensive business plan that outlines your business concept, target market, competitive analysis, marketing strategy, operational plan, and financial projections. A well-structured business plan can help you secure funding and guide your business decisions. Legal structure and registration. Decide on the legal structure of your business, sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC, corporation, etc. Register your business with the appropriate government authorities and obtain any necessary licenses or permits. Funding. Determine how much capital you need to start and operate your business. Explore various funding options, such as personal savings, bank loans, angel investors, venture capital, crowdfunding, or grants. Location and infrastructure. Choose a suitable location for your business operations, considering factors like foot traffic, accessibility, and cost. Set up the necessary infrastructure, equipment, and technology to run your business effectively. Branding and marketing. Develop a strong brand identity, including a business name, logo, and visual elements. Create a marketing strategy to promote your products or services, including online and offline channels. Product, service development. Refine your products or services based on customer feedback and market demand. Focus on delivering high-quality offerings that solve customer problems or fulfill their needs. Team building. Hire employees or partners with skills and expertise that complement your own. Build a motivated and capable team to support your business operations and growth. Operations and management. Establish efficient processes for production, distribution, and customer service. Implement effective management practices to ensure smooth day-to-day operations. Financial management. Keep accurate financial records and monitor cash flow, expenses, and revenue. Plan for financial growth and manage resources wisely to sustain your business. Adaptation and growth. Stay open to feedback and be willing to pivot or adapt your business strategies based on changing market conditions. Explore opportunities for expansion, diversification, and scaling your business. Networking and learning. Connect with other entrepreneurs, mentors, industry professionals, and organizations to gain insights and support. Continuously learn about industry trends, business strategies, and best practices.